The Mahabharat War, a titanic clash that changed the course of history. Whenever we speak of this war, names like Arjun, Krishna, Bhishma, and Karna immediately come to mind. But did you know that on the plains of Kurukshetra, there were certain unsung heroes whose single decision or sacrifice flipped the entire script of the war? In today's video, we will explore the lives of 5 hidden characters who shifted the tide of Mahabharat and ensured the victory of Dharma. The grandson of Bhim and son of Ghatotkach, Barbaric. He possessed a power so immense that he could have finished the entire war with just 3 arrows. He had taken a solemn vow to always fight for the losing side. Lord Krishna knew that if Barbaric saw the Kauravas losing and joined them, the Pandavas' defeat would be certain. Krishna asked for Barbaric's head as a divine charity, that is Dan. Even without stepping onto the battlefield, Barbaric ensured the Pandavas' victory, because as long as he was alive and neutral, the war could never have reached a final conclusion. Defeating Bhishma Pitamaha was considered impossible even for the god. He held the boon of Ichhamrityu, which means death at his own will. However, he had a vow that he would never raise a weapon against a woman or someone who was not a man. On the 10th day of the war, Arjun used Shikhandi as his shield. Recognizing Shikhandi as the reincarnation of Amba from his past, Bhishma lowered his bow and refused to fight. Seizing this moment, Arjun pierced Bhishma with a volley of arrows, placing him on a bed of arrows. Without Shikhandi, the Pandavas could never have been able to overcome the invincible Bhishma. Bhima's son Ghatotkach was a powerful Rakshas with magical abilities. When he unleashed chaos on the battlefield at night, Duryodhan was paralyzed with fear. Karna possessed the Vasvi Shakti, a divine spear gifted by Indra, which he was saving specifically to kill Arjun. However, to stop Ghatotkach's rampage, Duryodhan forced Karna to use that weapon prematurely. Ghatotkach was killed, but his death saved Arjun's life. Karna was left without his one-shot ultimate weapon, leaving him vulnerable in his final duel against Arjun. Yuyutsu was a son of Dhritarashtra and the brother of Duryodhan. Despite his bloodline, his heart belonged to the path of Dharma. Just as the war was about to begin, Yudhishthir made a final call. Anyone who wished to change sides could do so. Yuyutsu was the only one from the Kaurava side who crossed over to join the Pandavas. Throughout the war, Yuyutsu provided the Pandavas with critical insider information regarding the Kauravas' strategies and weaknesses. He was the only son of Dhritarashtra to survive the war and was later entrusted with the administration of Indraprastha. Shalya, the uncle of Nakul and Sahadev, had been tricked into joining the Kauravas. However, Krishna had extracted a secret promise from him. When Shalya became Karna's charioteer, instead of encouraging him, he constantly criticized Karna and praised Arjun's skills. He psychologically weakened Karna to the point where Karna couldn't perform at his best during the most critical moments. As a demotivating charioteer, Shalya played a massive role in the Pandavas' favor. Friends, the Mahabharata was not just a war of warriors. It was a war of right decisions made at the right time. These 5 characters proved that you don't always have to be the one holding the sword in the spotlight to win the battle. Which of these characters' stories surprise you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you want me to make a video on the mystery of the Ashwatthama, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.